Welcome to the tutorial for Rec Room. This is a very special app, as it is currently the only app we have at the library that allows for multiplayer games with anyone else playing in the studio with you. Rec Room is a very social app. It allows for users to create their own rooms or games and share with the world online. You probably won't have time to create any room on your own, so you'll want to jump into one of the previously created worlds. Some of the most popular rooms include paintball, laser tag, mini golf, and bowling. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to set up a multiplayer session between you and another player. First, select which username you want to play as. Make sure it's a different one than your partner will be using. You'll eventually appear in a dorm room. Get past the screens that pop up. Don't select anything that confirms a purchase so that you can see the room without any pop-ups. Next, either press the pause button or look at your hand like you would a watch. Press play and search for a game you may want to play. Set up a private session. Once you are in the private session, bring up the interface again and select People. You should see the other player's username. Select them and press Invite. A pop-up should appear on their headset. Have them follow the instructions so they can join you in your session. Once your partner appears in your session, try to make sure you are on separate teams, as some games won't function properly otherwise. There should be a big leaderboard that gives the players the options of what team they would like to play in. To move around in this game, you don't use the thumbsticks. You instead push the A or X button on your controller and point the controller to where you'd like to move. Once you release the button, your character should teleport to that spot. Be aware that since this app features both developer and user-created rooms, you may encounter some rooms that play a little differently, or that may feature content that you are not comfortable with. Fortunately, it is very easy to leave a room. Just bring up the watch menu like we showed you before and find a different room. Rec Room is one of our most versatile apps. Have a great time.